Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you find the best products out there. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular cleaning products on the market, the Magic Sponges Cleaning Eraser, a 50-pack of melamine foam pads that will change the way you clean. If you've been looking for a way to tackle those tough stains and grime without the harsh chemicals, this is definitely something you'll want to stick around for. The Magic Sponges Cleaning Erasers are truly the best melamine erasers you can find, and here's why. First off, they don't require any chemical cleaners. That's right, just water. No need to worry about any harsh substances or strong smells. The sponge uses the power of its unique nanoporous structure to lift stains and dirt from most surfaces, making your cleaning process much easier. You simply moisten the sponge with water, squeeze out the excess, and start wiping away. It's that simple. Now, let's talk about versatility. These erasers are perfect for a wide range of cleaning tasks. You can use them on kitchen surfaces like blenders, coffee machines, toasters, and storage containers. They work wonders on glass, tiles, and even leather products. They're also great for cleaning shoes, car interiors, office supplies, and much more. And if you're dealing with stubborn spots or hard-to-reach places, the best part is that these sponges can be cut to any size you need, so they fit perfectly wherever you need them. When it comes to performance, the cleaning erasers are designed to last. Their melamine foam material is tough, but not abrasive enough to damage most surfaces. You won't have to worry about damaging your countertops or floors. Plus, after every use, simply rinse the sponge, and the dirt will wash right out of its pores, making it reusable for your next cleaning task. It's the ultimate combination of eco-friendly cleaning and efficiency. And if you're someone who loves a good deal, the 50-pack is an excellent option for stocking up, especially considering how long these sponges last. You'll get plenty of use out of them without needing to constantly replace them. No matter the size of the mess or the surface, these cleaning erasers are ready to get the job done. To sum it up, if you're in need of an all-in-one solution to tackle all your household cleaning needs, the Magic Sponges Cleaning Erasers are an essential addition to your home. They're safe, simple to use, and super effective, making them one of the best cleaning tools you can have in your arsenal. Check them out and experience the magic for yourself. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews on the best products out there.